So anytime I'm down at Disney Springs and we don't have a reservation for somewhere else to be able to go ahead and actually sit down and have a meal, what I like to do is always stop by Earl Sandwiches, Earl Sandwich. And I'll put the menu in here. It's actually fairly inexpensive. Its favorite sandwich is the holiday turkey, and it is out of this world. So it's basically your turkey dinner from Thanksgiving all on a sandwich. So it has mashed potatoes, it's going to have dressing, it's got cranberry, it's got turkey. So it's got all of those on it on a sandwich. It is out of this world. So we're just going to grab a bite, and I will always go in the side door just because if they're busy, it's easier to maneuver. Since the rows are set up kind of like an attraction, you come in, then back up the other side. And remember, you pick up your chips and things of that sort while you're going down through here in your desserts. The desserts on your left, and chips and brownies and things like that on your right, as you head your way down to the cashier. Once you do go ahead and place your order and pay for it, you do get discounts in here, okay? Pass holders, DVC, and cast members. Also, you will receive a buzzer, basically, and then you'll just go find a seat or wait around, wait till that goes off. You go up to the pickup window and you pick up your order and you're gone. They do fix everything here at Earl Sandwich on the spot. There's nothing pre-made other than their salads and things of that sort. But other than that, everything is made when you order it. So it's a really big spot for us. Anytime we have family in, we always stop here. Just for the fact that it's good, it's consistent, and it's fairly inexpensive. We ended up getting 4 different sandwiches, and it was still barely $30, so not too bad. Just check it out, see what you think. It's one of our favorites, and it's a must-do. If we were ever here on vacation, we would always at least pick one day to have lunch at Earl Sandwich. Going to be the holiday turkey sandwich, and this is my favorite Earl sandwich. Again, there is turkey, mashed potatoes, dressing, cranberry sauce, all on this, and the bread is phenomenal, so check it out. If you've never had the holiday turkey sandwich at Earl Sandwich, you're missing out. Just for the fact there's so many different flavor profiles that are there. And if you love your Thanksgiving dinner, now you may not like it all on a sandwich, but it does have that flair to it. The dressing, it's not overpowering, but I tell you, the sweetness from the the cranberry sauce and the flavor profile from the gravy really blend well and making an even sandwich. That way there's no really super highs or low for your palate. Turkey is turkey. It's premium. They do a really good job with that. Mashed potatoes are mashed potatoes, but it's more of a filler. But it does hold everything together because there's so much on this sandwich. Wow, it actually is really good. It is my favorite. Also, take a look at this. So it's layer of nothing but goodness. There's no doubt about that. So you got the cranberry sauce, the mashed potatoes, then you have what looks to be the dressing. There's some turkey on the bottom too, then more turkey, then more cranberry sauce. So it's a win-win. About $8. Nothing to frown about there. Very easy. Very accessible too. It only took me well, of course, now this is in the middle of the day. It's about 3 o'clock on a Wednesday. And normally they will move people through this line very quickly. It didn't take me It only took me the amount of time to order, place my order, walk down, pay for it, and just wait for them to actually prepare my meal. That's it. Very simple, very easy to get in and out, and a quick lunch and a very filling lunch. Half of the sandwich is pretty much all you're going to want for one setting. So you can stretch it out for a couple of feedings if you like, but some people may eat all at once and just enjoy it. So check it out, and we'll see you on the next one. Remember, like, share, subscribe, and tell a friend about us. We would greatly appreciate it. And please leave a comment. Thank you so much. We'll see you on the next one. Take care.